Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel A to Z Creative, where we do arts and crafts from A to Z. In this video, I will show you a simple process on how to make a botanical inspired coaster using air dry clay. I'm using Das modeling clay for this project. If this is not available, you can make your own air dry clay by following a simple recipe, and I will link it down in the description box. Roll out the air dry clay. You don't need any fancy tool to do this. An empty bottle works perfectly. Also, try to roll and turn the clay so that it won't stick to the surface. I'm using here a wooden dowel to level the thickness of the clay. Choose a leaf and place it on top of the clay. Then, use the bottle to roll over to imprint the veins of the leaf. The harder the veins, the better. Let the clay dry before painting it. For this project, it took me 2 to 3 days. So once dried, I sanded the clay and used a soft brush to remove debris. I decided to accent the sides with gold leafing, but I strongly suggest using a gold leafing pen or paint to color the sides. It's easier to do that way. As you can see, some areas are not covered with the gold leaf, so I had to redo the leafing process. And here it is. I love how this coaster turned out. The pop of forest green color against the white background and the gold accents make this coaster look so elegant. What do you think? If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in our next DIY project.